welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to show you how to remove rust off your bicycle really easily. So the only two things you'll be needing is a bottle of this soft drink. I won't say the name of it, but it should be pretty obvious, and then some foil, and that's it. So let me just show you how you do it. Okay, so first things first, you need to grab a little bit of foil, not a huge amount. So make sure there's two sides to it. You'll see there's a more shiny side and a duller side. Get the shiny side and fold that up. So depending on the area where you're cleaning the rust. So for me, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the handlebars here. So you can see there's a little bit of spotted rust there. So grab the foil, take your soft drink, okay? Make sure that this isn't a caffeine-free, sugar-free. Make sure it's the original, okay? And then all you're doing, oh, it's a bit of a pop, wasn't it? And you're just pouring it into a small little container, because all you're going to be doing is dipping the foil into this and then just cleaning the surface, really, of the bike. Okay, so let me change your camera angle and I'll show you. So as you can see, there's a little bit of rust here. So all you're doing is getting the foil, okay? So getting your Coke, getting the foil, dipping the foil into the Coke, and then you're just working that. And putting some elbow grease into it, so you can probably already see it's starting to get the brown spots of rust off of there. Okay. Now make sure that when you've done this, you wash this off with water. You don't want to leave any residual Coke on the surface because it can be quite corrosive. Okay. The other thing as well is if it's nuts and bolts or any little bits and pieces, then you can take them off and you can dip them into the Coke. Okay. Already you can start seeing that that's having a good effect on there. Okay. Let me just. There we go. I'm doing this indoors. You can do it outdoors. The only reason I'm taking it indoors is just for filming purposes. So just be careful because you might drip some Coke on the floor. Okay. And that's it. So they clean it. Now, obviously, stating the obvious. Once you've got it to a position, then clean it down with like a cloth or a tissue. Do be careful because you will get some dirt and things on the floor, but you can clean that up afterwards, and that's it. So I hope that's helped.